let's continue the previous topic, values and types. My dear friends, as you all know, we were doing the tokens. And what are tokens? Tokens are the elements used in the Java program. Now, as you already know that tokens are number 1, identifiers, and number 2, constants. And these we have already discussed in our previous lecture. Now let's start with punctuator, separator, assignments, and then operators. These are also elements which we use in the Java program. Now we have already discussed this identifiers and constants. Now let's start with punctuator. Punctuators are the punctuation marks used in the Java program. These are like question mark, and then this is semicolon, then opening double quotes, then closing double quotes, underscore. These all are punctuation marks, and these are known as punctuators. And you know we are doing the types of tokens. So in a sense this is a token used in Java program. Next comes separators. Separators, as the name suggests, they are used to separate variables or characters. So we use like this comma, and comma can be used to separate two variables or characters. For example, we are giving the name, this we are using as a variable, then second we are using as a class. So these two variables can be separated with the comma operator. Similarly, the values, just like 10 and 20, these two values are constant and they can be separated with the help of comma operator, and this is also known as separator. Third is assignments. Assignment is equal to sign. This assigns or store a value to the variable. So for example, int p is equal to 24. So p here is the variable name or identifier, and int is the data type of this variable, and 24 is the constant or value stored in this particular variable. And there is assignment operator in between the variable and the constant, and this is known as the assignment operator. Similarly, next example is float f is equal to 24.67, and here f is the variable, float is the data type, is equal to is the assignment token, and 24.67 is the value or the constant stored in f variable. Third example of the assignment is char c is equal to a. Here c is the variable, char is the character data type, and a is the value, and you all know that value of character always gets enclosed in the single quotes, and these all statements are suffixed by the semicolon. Now fourth is operators. Symbols used to perform arithmetic or logical operations are known as operators. For example, plus, minus, multiply, divide, modulus operator, it's a percentage sign, and then and sign, and then this is the not sign. So from here all of these examples, these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 examples are of arithmetic operator, and these 2 examples are of logical operator. But these all are operators and used in any expression to do some function, to do some operation. This plus operator will add numbers, and minus operator will subtract, multiply will multiply, and then this forward slash, this will divide, and this modulus operator will calculate the remainder, and this and not operator are used in logical operators. We'll do in detail in our next lecture. So that's all about tokens. Till now, in previous lecture we did identifiers as a token, next is constant as a token, and now these four: punctuator, separator, assignments and operators. These all 6 comes under the tokens. Thank you. Bye bye.